Hey, automation lover. So in this video, I'm going to fix an issues with Facebook comment automation. Here, if you see that we have built a simple automation workflow that will automate our comment replay. So, but the problem is when I am or someone is commenting on our post, or then it's replying multiple times. That means unlimited time. So if I give an example for that, if I comment anyone from there, like if I comment like someone, if comment like this, then what will happen? I have already built an automation that will replay, right? So let's see how it's working. So if I comment and go back in execution setup, so we will see the report in here. So if you see here, it's running, again running, it's success, right? Okay, again running. So in the meantime, if you see unlimited time executing, and if I go back in Facebook and if I reload this, then we will see that our replay within just a minute. If you just see here replay, here it's commenting multiple time, right? So this is the issues, and let's see how we can fix these issues. So first of all, let's inactive this because it's automatically will comment. First of all, let's inactive and go back in editor access. So before fixing these issues, let us find out why it's happening with us. So for that, I take a Google sheet. For example, if I open this one, and if you see the comment ID here, I just take the comment and the replay so that we can verify why it's happening with us. So this is the comment and this is the replay. So if you see here, first comment was, hi, what is your service name, right? And the reply was, hello Wahidur, this is specialized in Google Ads management, conversion tracking, web analytics. That's mean it's perfectly working the first time. And from the second time, if you see here, the replay that sent to our comment is also counting as a comment, right? So that's why it's counting. For example, if I go back in Facebook and here, if you see, this is our first comment and this is our first replay. But the AI automation is thinking this is another comment, like new comment. So for that, they replay another comment, and after that, they are thinking this is another comment. So that's why they are making another, or they are writing another replay. So that's why it's working as a loop. So let's see how we can fix it. So nothing to do, just we will give a simple condition, like if this is inactive mode, right? So let's enable the test. Just a minute. Let's enable the test URL so that we can do the setup. Okay. And let's verify. So if I do the test trigger, and if I comment right now, go back on our any post like this one and comment hi. After comment, let's see what's happened there, right? So it's respond level 2 and it fields request HTTP generated updated. So if you see here, hello, how can the name is and help you maximize or something like that. It's on our prompt. So it's just for testing purpose, for the tutorial purpose. So that's why our prompt is not good for right now. So now let's see it's received replay or not. Okay, we received the replay, right? So let's fix that out. So for that, here we have to take a simple node. We have to take if node, and we have to give a condition so that if you see here, we got multiple replays, right? So if I go back there, just a minute. Yes, this one. So our replay is counting as another new comment. So we have to pause this so that our N8N will not think this is a new comment, because we have to give a condition there. So if I go back in N8N, and there, if you see here, we have an ID. So this ID for my one, like the Wahidur, the RY calendar, this is the unique ID, and this is my ID. And if you see here, we have ID and the name. So we can either use the name, we can either use the ID. No worries about it. So just we have to give a condition. So if I give a condition, ID is not equal to, if I copy this one, sorry, we have to copy, right? So if I go back in table or schema, then we can copy this one, is not equal to this one. That means if our ID is this one, it will not execute another request. It will not count another request. So if I execute this setup, there you will see there's two branch is no output data is this branch. So that time, if we replay to our audience, it will not count as a new comment. Okay, so it will not execute another time or multiple times. So just hit, and then if I go back in live, it will just count one time. So let's save. And so for live, we have to go back, take the production URL. Okay, and this one, right? Okay, let's save. Okay, sorry, we have to active this first of all, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so it's activated right now. And now if we do a test comment, and let's do a comment by using my profile. If I comment, hi, what is your service name? Just comment it and go back in execution. This one, the our right execution. If you see here, our execution is stopped. So we don't see any new execution on there, right? And if I go back and reload this page, then we will see just one replay. If you see here, it's just an one replay because it's not, it's an comment, but it's not executing when we are commenting by our pace. Okay, so that's the thing. I think that will be helpful for you. And thanks for being with me. And let's comment. So what type of issues you are facing on your automation. So see you soon with the next videos.